What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page and consists of a series of elements. Basically, elements tell the browser how to display the content. This is a simple HTML document. The doc type HTML declaration defines that the document is an HTML5 document. HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. Head element contains meta information about the HTML page. Title elements specify a title for a HTML page which is shown in the browser title bar or in the Pages tab. Body elements defines the document body and is a container for all the visible contents such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. H1 element defines a large heading, and the P element defines a paragraph. But now the question is, what is the HTML element? Well, an HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. Let's talk now about web browsers. The purpose of a web browser, like Firefox, Safari, Chrome, is to read HTML documents and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML tags but uses them to determine how to display the document. Note: the content inside the body text section will be displayed in the browser. The content inside the title tag element will be shown in a browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. To create and edit HTML files, we need a code editor. Personally, I use Visual Studio Code. Just search for it on Google, Visual Studio Code, click on the official website and look for the download button and then click it. I will leave the link in the video description, and once you have installed it, we will go ahead and create our first web page using HTML. After you have successfully installed the Visual Studio Code, open a new folder, create, I will call this tutorials, create, open it. Now in the left section we will create a new file called index.html, and I recommend to use the extension called Live Preview, this one from Microsoft. Click install. Okay, and now you have to restart the Visual Studio Editor. Now let's close this extension tab and click on the first tab, which is the Files tab. I will paste the default structure of HTML, and right now go there on the bottom right corner, search for HTML file, and now search for the Show Preview button on the right top corner, click on it, and now let's write something. This is my first heading. As you can see, what you are writing in the left, you will see now in the right. Live. Let's write another example. An paragraph. This is an paragraph. See, that looks very cool. Well, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video of this series. Make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload the next tutorial. Bye.